How to download MiFit app on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can download MiFit app on PC. So without further delay, let's get started. So to install MiFit application, or currently known as Zepp Live or Mi Fitness on your PC, you have to use Android Emulator. Since the application is directly not available on your PC or desktop, so you have to install one of the Android emulator on your device. The Android emulator will allow you to run the mobile application on your computer that will provide a larger screen and enhanced visibility. So for that, what you can do is you can use BlueStacks as an Android emulator. Now you have to download BlueStacks in your device. Navigate to the search bar, then search for download BlueStacks. Their official website, that is BlueStacks.com. Once you're here, click on the download installer. Click on download BlueStacks, that will install the installer. After the installer gets downloaded, go to your download folder. There you have to click on the installer and install it in your device. After that, once you run the installer, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, now you have to open up the Android or the BlueStacks emulator in your device. After you open up this Android emulator, you'll be asked to sign in into your account. So you have to sign in using your Google account in order to access the Play Store. On the Play Store, search for MiFit application. Once you find the application, click on the application from the search results and install it. Once installed, now you can open up the application from the BlueStacks home screen. That's it. That's how you can install or download the MiFit app on your laptop or PC using the Android emulator, that is BlueStacks. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.